Now let's solve questions on modulus. I told two most important properties. This property is mod of x plus y is less than or equal to mod x plus mod y and greater than or equal to mod of x minus mod of y whole mod is greater than or equal to mod x minus mod of y. I told this property, and next property was what? If mod of x plus y is equal to mod x plus mod y, then xy must be greater than or equal to 0. To solve this equation, you have to solve only this one, xy, x into y greater than or equal to 0. Now if mod of x minus y is equal to mod x minus mod y, then xy must be greater than or equal to 0 intersection mod of x greater than or equal to mod of y. Mod of x square is equal to x square. This property I told earlier also. So now let's discuss questions based on these properties. Now question is what? If solve x square plus 3x mod is equal to x square plus 3 times mod of x. This equation can be solved in many ways. Now I am using the property mod of x plus y is equal to mod x plus mod y. You can solve by using this property, this question. These are the special cases. In general, you can use one method is this one to solve. Now another, this method, second one is always applicable. Whatever the equation, you can use this method for any question if modulus is present. This is the special case. So if questions based on this property, then you can solve by using first property. So let's discuss this question. Method 1. I am using this property now first. So how will you solve this question? See here, this equation x square plus 3x mod can be written as mod x square plus 3 times mod of x. This can be written as this one also. This is the property of this one, mod x square is equal to x square, or you can write it as mod of x square. These are equivalent. You can check by putting any number, whether negative or positive. So now we can use first property. How we can apply this property on this one? Check this one. Let's say this is capital X and this is capital Y. Then if this is capital X and capital Y, then mod of x plus y is equal to mod of x plus mod y. If this, then xy can be greater than or equal to 0. So here if we take capital X square as capital X and 3 times x as capital Y, then this is equal to this one. This satisfies both sides of this inequality because capital X square is this one and you can take 3 inside, so mod of y if let capital X is equal to x square and capital Y is equal to 3 times x, then this equality will satisfy. You can check this one here. That means this is x square plus 3 times capital 3 times x is equal to mod of x square plus 3 times x mod. That means this can be written as mod x square plus 3 times of mod x. So for this equation, this property holds on. So we can apply this one. So what will be the solution for this one? Solution for this equation will be what? Solution of this equation will be what? xy must be greater than or equal to 0. Capital X is what? X square into capital Y is what? 3 times x. That means this is greater than or equal to 0. So now we have to only solve this inequality. So this is how much? This is 3 times x cube greater than or equal to 0. So this can be written as what? X cube greater than or equal to 0. So what will be the solution for this one? Apply the Weber method. So what is the root of this one? X cube equal to 0, then x equal to 0. So this is x equal to 0. Now root of this one is what? 0. So make it as positive, and power of x is what? Odd. So I told Weber method, if power is odd, then sign will change. So here it is plus, then here it will be negative. That means wave will be like this one. 0 is also included because here equality is present. So now we have to take solution for greater than or equal to 0. That means greater than or equal to 0, that means positive interval. We have to collect positive intervals. The solution of this one will be what? X belongs to 0 to infinity. So this is the final answer. Now we can use second method also. Second property which is applicable for forever. This is method number 2. What is method 2? How many? Now the question is this one. X square plus 3x mod is equal to x square plus 3 times of mod x. I told whatever the modulus are present, find out their roots of the expressions which are inside the modulus. So now inside the modulus are what? X square plus 3x is equal to 0, and here x is equal to 0. Solution for this one is what? 0 for minus 3, and from here 0. So there are two different roots only. Two different roots only. So mark these numbers on increasing order. There are 3 roots only. There are 2 roots only, 0 and minus 3. So mark these roots on number line. Now this modulus can be written as what? This modulus can be written as x square plus, factorize this one. So this can be written as x plus 3 modulus is equal to x square plus 3 times of mod x. Now by using this property, xy mod can be written as what? Mod of x into mod of y. So this can be written as mod of x into mod of x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 3 times of mod x. This is the equation. Now the number line breaks into 3 parts. The first region is what? X greater than or equal to 0. Second region is x less than 0 and greater than or equal to minus 3. And this is what? X less than minus 3. So case 1. If x greater than or equal to 0. If x greater than or equal to 0, then what will be? If we are in this region, then we are right of the root 0 and right of the root minus 3 also. So all the roots will be written with plus signs. That means this will be mod of x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 3 times mod of x can be written, this will be can be written as plus sign, this will be also can be written as plus sign, is equal to x square plus 3 times of x. All the roots can be written with plus sign. All the modulus can be written with plus sign because we are right of both the roots. So this is what? This is x square plus 3x is equal to x square plus what? This is 3x. Now this is an identity. This is identity. So solution of this one is what? X belongs to minus infinity to infinity. Now we have to take intersection between the solution and the condition. Condition is what? Condition is x greater than or equal to 0, intersection x belongs to minus infinity to infinity. So if we take intersection between these two, answer will be what? X greater than or equal to 0. So this is the answer. Now choose the second case. If we are in this region, second region, in this region, if we are in this region, let's find out the solution for this region is what? X greater than or equal to 0. Now choose the case second. If x is what? If x is less than 0 and greater than or equal to minus 3, then what will be the solution? If you are in this region, then you are left of the root 0 and right of the root minus 3. Then with respect to the root 0 expression, modulus can be written with negative sign, and with respect to this expression, modulus can be written with plus sign because we are right of this one. So this gives 0 root, so this can be written as minus x, and this can be written as plus x. This can be written as x square plus 3 times, and this can be written as minus of x because we are left of the root 0. Simplify this one. So this is minus x square minus 3x is equal to x square minus 3x. This cancels out. Take this side. So minus 2x square is equal to 0. That means x square is equal to 0. That means x equal to 0. Now we have to take intersection between the solution and the condition. Condition is what? X less than 0 and greater than or equal to minus 3, but solution is x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 does not lie in this interval. So in this case there is no solution. We have to take intersection between what? X less than 0 and greater than or equal to minus 3. That means x belongs to 5. So from this interval we are getting what? Answer x belongs to 5. Now take the next interval. Next case third. Case third is what? Case third, if x less than minus 3, that means we are in this interval, we are in this region. If we are in this region, then we are left of the root minus 3 and left of the root 0 also. That means all the modulus can be written with negative sign. So solve this one. So this can be written as minus of x, and this can be written as minus of x plus 3. This is x square plus 3. This can be written with minus sign. Now simplify this one. This minus, these are in product, so minus minus plus. So this is x square plus 3x is equal to x square minus 3x. So this cancels out. That means x is equal to 0. Now we have to take intersection between this and this. That means x less than minus 3, intersection x is equal to 0. That means we are getting answer of the, if you take intersection you will get what? Answer x belongs to 5. So answer in this case is also coming x belongs to 5. Finally we have to take union of all the cases answers. So now take union of all the cases answers, you will get your final solution. So what will be the union? Final answer will be what? Final answer will be x belongs to 5 union x belongs to 5 union x belongs to 0 to infinity. This is what x greater than or equal to 0 means 0 to infinity. So there are no elements in this one. There is no element, so this cancels out. So only answer is what? X belongs to 0 to infinity. So this is our final answer. So second method is always applicable. First method is a special case if it is present. Now to solve the next question is what? Solve this one. X square plus 6x plus 6 is equal to mod of x square plus 4x plus 9 plus mod of 2x minus 3. Second method you can use here. You can solve by using second method, but second method may be longer. But in this case, if you use a special property, then you can get your answer very easily. A special property is what? X plus y is equal to x plus. If this, then you have to solve only x into y greater than or equal to 0. You have to solve only this one. So check this one, whether this equation can be applied in this one. Check this one. So let's say I'm checking whether this special case can be applied in this one or not. So let's say check. Left hand side can be written as what? Left hand side x square plus 6x plus 6 is equal to, this can be written as x square plus 6x plus 9, and then it can be written as what? This can be written as plus 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. This can be written as what? This one. If you simplify this one, you will get this one, right? But here, this can be taken as what? This can be taken as capital X, and this can be taken as capital Y, and verify that this special case holds. You can verify that. Put x square plus 4x plus 9 in place of capital. This can take, you can take capital X, capital Y, capital X, and this capital Y. That means solution will be what? Capital X into Y greater than or equal to 0. Put capital X as this element here, capital Y as here, then this equation holds this property. So now this is what we can apply this property. So this one holds that property. So solution of this one is what? This is what? Mod of x square plus 4x plus 9 plus mod of 2x minus 3. This is given. This is given. Right? So solution will be what? Solution will be what? X square plus 4x plus 9 into 2x minus 3 will be greater than or equal to 0. Solution of this equation will be what? This one. Now solve this equation. How will you solve this equation? By using Vedic or method. So we can apply the Vedic or method. So find out roots of this equation first. X square plus 4x plus 9 is equal to 0. So x will be what? Minus 4 plus minus b square. This is what? This is b square 16 minus 4 divided by 2. Right. So this is giving what? Imaginary number. So this is giving imaginary number. That means this can be written as what? X square plus 2 into 2x 2 into 2x plus 2 square plus 5 into 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. This is giving imaginary number, so this can be rejected. I told this type questions on Daily Car method. I'm telling how do you reject this one. So this can be written as what? This can be written as x plus 2 whole square plus 5 into 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. And see here, this is always, whether you put here negative value of x or positive value of x, this will give always positive number, because this is a square and it will never give negative number. So this is always positive. This is always positive. It will not change sign of the expression. So according to Vedic method, we can omit this expression and we can write only 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. We can solve only this one. Answer of this one will be same as answer of this one. So answer will be what? X greater than or equal to 3 by 2. That means final answer of this one is what? X belongs to 3 by 2 to infinity. This is our answer. Now this is the first method by using the special case. Now you can use the second method, this property, mod of x is equal to what? X minus x greater than or equal to 0 and x less than 0. You can use this property here, but it will be longer. Now let's solve next question. Next question is what? Mod of 2 to the power x minus 1, mod of 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 4 minus 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x minus 4 is equal to what? 3. You have to solve this question. How will you solve this question? We can use both methods. Okay, but this question is based on a special case of the property, this one, mod of x plus y, mod of x plus y is equal to mod x plus mod y. Then we have to solve x into y greater than or equal to 0. Verify whether this equation satisfies this one or not. So how will you solve this question? See here, we can write 2 to the power x minus 1 plus, this can be written as what? This can be written as minus of 4 minus 2 to the power x. Modulus of property of modulus is what? Minus x is equal to mod x. I told this property earlier. Minus of x is equal to mod of x. So we can use this one. So this can be written, I am checking left hand side. So this can be written as what? Mod of 2 to the power x minus 1 plus, this is what? You can take x. So minus of x is what? Mod of x. So this can be written as 2 to the power minus x. Okay. Now this is mod of this, you can take capital X. This you can take capital X is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1, and capital Y you can take 4 minus 2 to the power x. Now verify this property. Mod of x plus y is what? Mod of x plus y is what? Mod of 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 4 minus 2 to the power x. So this one, this cancels out, and this is what? 3. That means this is 3. Modulus of 3 will be 3. So this equation is what? Basically this equation satisfy mod of x plus mod of y is equal to this, is equal to 3. So we have to solve only what? we have to solve x into y greater than or equal to 0. Solve this one. So final solution, that means this satisfies what? 3. So solution will be what? X into y greater than or equal to 0, and x is what? 2 to the power x minus 1, and y is what? 4 minus 2 to the power x. This should be greater than or equal to 0. Now simplify this one. Minus of x is what? Basically mod of x. So this is capital X and this is capital Y. So capital X into capital Y must be greater than or equal to 0. So this will be what? This 2 to the power x minus 1. Take minus sign from here. This will be 2 to the power x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now multiply by minus sign. This will be what? 2 to the power x minus 1 into 2 to the power x minus 4. This will be less than or equal to 0. Right. So what will be the solution of this one? You can use Rabbi-Cow method. Right. So find out first roots of this one. 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2 to the power x minus 4 is equal to 0. That means from here answer will be x equal to 0, and from here x will be equal to 2. Now mark on the number line x equal to 2 and x equal to 0. So here coefficients are positive. 2 to the power x coefficient is positive, 2 to the power x coefficient is positive. So right hand side according to Rabbi-Cow method we mark positive sign. Now here equality is present, so both roots will satisfy. That means this will satisfy, this will satisfy. Now this will change the sign. If we are in this interval, then with respect to this root we'll change the sign, right? So this will be negative and this will be positive. So product of this one will be negative. So here it will be positive. And if we are in this interval, then this will give negative and this will also give negative. So product of these two will be positive. So this here will be positive. So we have to collect what? Negative intervals, means less than or equal to 0 means we have to collect negative intervals and the roots which satisfy. So solution will be what? Finally x belongs to 0 to 2. So that means this is the final solution of this one. You can use basic method. Second method you can use this one. You can get the same answer. Now next question is what? Let's say next question is, if x over x minus 1 mod plus mod of x is equal to x square plus x square over x minus 1 whole mod. This is given. So how will you solve this question? Again the same property you can apply here. This is capital X and this is what? Capital Y. Capital X is what? X over x minus 1. Capital Y is what? X. Then verify what will be the solution of this one. Add this one, find out x plus y, then this will be what? X over x minus 1 plus x. This will be how much? X plus x square minus x divided by x minus 1. This cancels out. That means x square over x minus 1. That means mod of x plus y will be what? Mod of x square over x minus 1. Right? This can also be written as x square over mod of x minus 1. Mod of x plus y is coming this one. That means right hand side is coming this one. And this is what? This is mod of x plus this is what? Mod of y. That means mod of x plus y. So this property holds for this one. So solve this one. The solution will be what? So our solution will be what? Solution will be capital X into y greater than or equal to 0. Capital X is what? Capital X is x over x minus 1 into capital Y is what? X greater than or equal to 0. That means this is x square over x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now find out the solution by using baby curve method. Baby curve method, there will be two roots only, 0 and 1. Now mark on the right hand side plus sign. Then with respect to 1, this will change the sign. This will be negative. And if we are here, with respect to 0, here power is what? Even power, so sign will not change. So here it also negative sign. And both roots will, one will not satisfy because it is in denominator. If you put x equal to 1, it will be undefined number. But 0 will satisfy here. So sign will be what? This one. Sign will be like this one. Like this one. So we have to collect what? Greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means positive interval. So final answer will be what? 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Sorry, 1 to infinity. Final answer will be what? 1 to infinity, but 0 also satisfy the equality. So we can mark here as union 0. So this is our final answer for this question. Now you can solve this question. Mod of 2 to the power x minus 1 plus mod of 4 minus 2 to the power x greater than or equal less than or equal to 3. Solve this question by using what? By using basic property. Solve this question and find out your answer. You can use this property. Mod of x is equal to what? X greater than or equal to 0 minus x when x less than 0. Next question is what? Next question is solve mod of x square minus 3x. 3x is equal to x square minus 3 times of mod x. Now solve this question. How will you solve this question? I told one property that if mod of x minus y is equal to mod of x minus mod of y, then you have to solve only x into y greater than or equal to 0 intersection mod of x greater than or equal to mod of y. You have to solve only this condition. Your answer will be the final answer for this question. So here capital X is what? X square, and capital Y is what? Capital Y is what? Minus of 3x. Now verify this property. This property holds. This property holds for this equation. So solution will be what? Only this one. So solve this one. First condition is what? X into y must be greater than or equal to 0. That means x square into minus 3x will be greater than or equal to 0. So this one will be what? Minus of x cube greater than or equal to 0. That means x will be what? Less than or equal to 0. X cube will be what? Less than or equal to 0. So answer will be what? X less than or equal to 0 for this one. Now next one will be what? You have to solve second condition. So solve this one, second condition. Second condition is what? Use this one. So it will be what? Mod of x will be greater than or equal to mod of y. So this will be x square greater than or equal to what? 3 times of mod of x. Now solve this inequality, solve this one and take intersection with this one. You will get your answer for this question. So how will you solve this question? Let's discuss this question in the next class. It's better.